I'm Burhanuddin Ilham. Today let's talk about a really cool keyboard called the Zefen GA60X, which is very popular because it's only around 3,000 rupiah. When you buy it, you get the keyboard, connector cable, switch spooler, and 2 extra switches. The design is really awesome and different from the other keyboards. It comes in 2 colors, Hyacinth and Team Travel. The one I have is Team Travel. The keyboard is 65% sash and has a special knob. The knob has a light, and below it there are indicator lights for caps lock, Windows or Mac mode, and the knob mode. Frame of the keyboard is a bit uneven, with the top part being thicker than the bottom. On the back or bottom, there are 4 rubber feet and 2 height adjustment. The keyboard has RGB lights on each key, which means you can customize the colors a lot. This is really helpful when typing in low light. The lights are level with the PCB, so all switches fit perfectly. You can change the RGB modes using software or key combination. If you look from the side or front, you will notice lights there too. You can change this lights mode by holding the knob for 3 seconds to switch its function from volume control. The build quality is pretty good, even though it feels very plastic. The whole keyboard is made of plastic, making it lightweight but still solid. And lastly, you can download a driver from the Zefen website. With this app, you can set up the RGB lights, remap keys, including changing the knob function, and create macros with 3 profiles. I think this keyboard is definitely worth trying. So that's my review. Like this video if you enjoy it, and see you in the next video.